How's it going, everybody? It's your boy T. It's been a minute since my last video, but it's been crazy with this whole coronavirus pandemic stuff. Hopefully everybody's doing okay and so on. I believe that this will get better, but it will take some time. But yeah. So on this video, I did a alternator swap on my Titan. The older one was already shot, draining the batteries. It's 2004, so it's time to swap out parts. But yeah. So here's the new alternator. You can see it's brand new, Duralast Gold. I got it from AutoZone. Here's the old one. Let me open up the new one so y'all can see how it looks like. It's got some weight to it. So there's the new one, and there's the old one. You can see it all worn out, burned out. There's the new ones, all nice and shiny. But yeah, to replace it, it wasn't too bad. Luckily that it's just at the bottom of the engine, so it's not too bad. So to take off this top bolt right here, this top one, it required a 14 millimeter, and it took a minute to unscrew, to unbolt. But yeah, a 14 millimeter worked. And then on this little bracket, it's another screw. Not sure what size it was. Maybe 11 millimeter maybe. But it wasn't too hard. It was at the bottom of the engine. Unbolt that. And then on this back part right here, it's another bolt right here, and that was 10 millimeters. That was fairly easy. And then just unscrew that one, and then that's to a cable, I believe, the power. And then your another cable, it's a clip, push it in, and it came out. And then also you gotta loosen the serpentine belt that goes with it on it. That was pretty easy. It didn't take too much. Just on the torsion bar or torsion belt, whatever, or however you want to call it, pulley, torsion pulley. There you go, tension pulley. Loosen that up, and the serpentine belt will come loose. And then once you get all the bolts taken out, the screws, the cable's unplugged, the only way it's gonna slide out, or you'll be able to take it out, is from under the engine. It was fairly simple. Let me see. There's one part that you gotta take out or unscrew for it to completely come out, because if not, hopefully this quality is good. If not, this pipe fitting, I want to say it's the oil, because it's leaking and it looks like engine oil. I use vice grips, and I loosened it up, and then when I got it off, obviously it starts leaking oil or whatever fluid it was. I used my finger real quick to cover it up, and then I slid the alternator out once I removed this, because it would not slide out with this in the way. It's in the way and you can't slide it out. And here in a minute when I put it back on, I'm going to do the same thing. It's already loosened. I want to say that's engine oil, but I'll check a little bit. I will remove this, so that alternator back in, and then put this back on. But yeah, see, there's the cable I was telling you about. And then the other bracket, the bracket goes this right. It goes it's right there. And yeah, it wasn't too bad. I read on forums and all that stuff, and they made it seem really difficult. And I'm not a master mechanic or anything like that, but I mean, if I could do it, I'm pretty sure you could do it too. Just a few basic hand tools and you'd be okay. But yeah, to get it out took me what, 30 minutes, give or take, about 30 minutes. And that's including trying to figure out, you know, what tools I needed or what needed to be removed. But it's not very difficult. But yeah, this is the new alternator. Let's be going in. Got it at AutoZone again. Here, so you can see Duralast Gold. She's really shiny. Loving it. The old one and the new one. But yeah, I mean, it was draining my truck battery. It drained like what, 4 batteries already, and every time the batteries were brand new, and it had to be something else. And hopefully this is the problem. But yeah, a few basic hand tools, and you'll get this bad boy out, and then goes back in the same way. But if you have any more questions, or if you have any questions or whatever, just message me and I'll let you know what you need to know. But I mean, again, it was really simple. Nothing to it really. Again, if I could do it, y'all can do it. But yeah, 2004 Nissan Titan alternator replacement. Alright guys, y'all take it easy.